I love it. I walk into the kitchen and I just feel good. I just feel good. And it's just like, yes, I love it.
Hi, I'm Russ.
And I'm Tina, and we live here in Corvallis. I was a counselor at a community college back in Pennsylvania.
I'm a retired aerospace engineer.
I needed a kitchen that was more functional.
Had a gas stove in the middle of a small island, and you couldn't use it with tile, countertops, and the grout was hard to keep clean. And
we got to do this now so I can enjoy it. And I didn't want to, wait on it to the point where grandkids were already in high school or leaving, or we didn't have the energy for it anymore either. Our hands were held very well by Thayer throughout the entire process. They choose really good people, so we're always very comfortable with whoever they had to bring in. They have very high standards who they're going to have work with and who they're going to have come into their customer's home, and it shows. I mean, really nice, genuine people too that we would have really good conversations with, and sometimes you were sad that they were never going to come back to your home again because you had a really nice time with them while they were here. They communicate with you. You always know what's going on. You're never in the dark. You always feel you can go to them for anything. If there was something major or if it was minor, we didn't angst about it because we absolutely knew Thayer was going to make it right, whatever it took.
I'm fairly picky. I'm a perfectionist, and that's mostly a curse. But they equal me from that perspective. I mean, I never felt like I was getting a substandard job. I was always getting the best that it could be, and they weren't going to cut corners. On top of that, what made it even better is the people that were working here were very personable. They just became friends. They weren't just contractors in your house. They came in, hey, how's your wife? Or, is your cat getting any better? I mean, it was like family.
Jared, he runs his business with a lot of integrity. And that comes through with him and his employees, his subcontractors. He's very picky about who the subcontractors are. And that's why you trust everybody who comes in, because he holds everybody else to the same standards that he has. So it doesn't matter what happens, you have these really good people to work with. So we came from a kitchen that had that tile countertops with the grout in it that was impossible to clean. So I am in love with this quartz because it's so smooth, and I have this big island that I can spread out all my baking supplies on and bake and spread out to my heart's content with all the ingredients and mixers and tools that I need.
Once she saw this countertop, that was it. She knew it. This was it. And our daughter, who's a meteorologist, she came in and says, wow, it looks like a cloud.
I am in love with this induction cooktop. Love this thing. Things cook beautifully on it, absolutely beautifully with even temperature, so easy to regulate, so easy to keep clean. I don't know how I was able to cook without one, to tell you the truth. Probably the favorite part of this kitchen, and the thing that everybody knows is as soon as they walk in, is this backsplash. I knew at the very beginning I was probably going to go with classic wood cabinets, classic countertops. So I wanted to do something a little bit unique to the kitchen in the backsplash, and we were able to find this company that did these custom made tiles. That's probably what pulls all the kitchen together, is this backsplash, and just makes me feel happy when I walk in here and see these colors. We put in these toe kicks. We have them everywhere. I can hide little, especially baking trays and pans that I don't have to pull out all the time.
We tried to use every aspect of the kitchen for storage, just because you never have enough places to put stuff. We decided to run the cabinets all the way to the top. The problem with that is when you want to put something in the top shelves, you can't reach. So this was just something that we found. It's a pull-out stool. Allows you to climb up, and it goes both ways. So you can get to wherever you need to.
I love it. I walk into the kitchen and I just feel good. I just feel good. And it's just like, yes, I love it. It's bright, it's welcoming, and it just makes me feel happy to be here.
Yeah, we definitely would recommend Thayer Design Build to anybody that wants work done.